In this lecture, we're going to look at the real-world applications of GIS. Behind many of these decisions is GIS. GIS is not just used by geographers, it is used in transportation, healthcare, agriculture, security, business, and many other sectors. What are GIS applications? A GIS application is the practical use of GIS technology to solve real-world problems. GIS is not an end in itself. GIS is not an end in itself. It is a tool used to support planning, analysis, and decision making. So what are these GIS applications? Number one, GIS is Number one, GIS is applied in real life, in transportation, and navigation. What are they applied to? GIS is applied in transportation and navigation to find the shortest route, to reduce travel time, manage traffic congestion, plan transportation networks. Number two, in healthcare, it helps to locate new hospitals, track disease outbreaks like the COVID-19. If you're in Nigeria, you see they will talk of the hotspots, Lagos, Abuja, and then area which you can travel to without the risks of the outbreaks and all of that. Pandemic, the global pandemic, you see different places. So it helps in tracking disease outbreaks in time of healthcare. So it monitor public health and then plan emergency response. Number three is in agriculture, monitor crops, analyze soil conditions, improve irrigation planning, and increase productivity. Number four, GIS is applied in urban planning and development to design road networks, manage land use, plan housing development, and monitor city growth. Number five, environmental management to monitor deforestation, identify flood-prone areas, track environmental changes, and manage natural resources. Number six, disaster management and emergency response to locate affected area, plan evacuation routes, identify safe shelters, and coordinate rescue operations. In security and crime analysis, we have the map crime hotspot, the monitor security incidences, and then allocate security resources. In business and marketing, it helps in choosing store locations, understand customer distribution, analyze market potentials. Then lastly, number nine, utilities and infrastructures, electricity networks, water pipelines, telecommunications, gas distributions. So, in summary, when we talk about application of GIS in transportation, we're talking about route planning and navigation. When we talk about healthcare, we talk of hospital location and disease mapping. When we talk about agriculture, we talk about precision farming and crop monitoring. I believe some of you have heard precision agriculture and all of that. Yes, that's where GIS is applied. And when we talk about urban planning, we talk about land use planning and infrastructures. When we talk about disaster management, we're talking about emergency response and evacuation. When we talk about environment, we talk about flood mapping and resource management. When we talk about security, we're talking about crime mapping, and hotspot analysis. Business, we talk about market analysis, we talk about site selections. We'll talk about utility, we talk about asset and network management. Thank you.